What is up, Shark Squad? My name is Jake, and today we're going to Universal Studios Hollywood because they just announced a brand new attraction. And if you've been watching The Shark, you might just know what it is. So, let's dive right in.
Officially studio tour time!
The Studio Tour at Universal Studios Hollywood is the longest running Universal attraction in existence, and they've been making lots of changes to it recently, such as adding electric trams.
Single time I ride the studio tour without Dustin, you get the electric tram.
The Studio Tour offers a glimpse into the behind the scenes of movie making, and they also offer little miniature attractions, such as this Jaws one that you can see right here on the screen. In addition to that, the tour is also a beautiful scenic view of Hollywood and the Universal Studios backlot.
In good news, the tram is absolutely amazing and has incredible views of all of Los Angeles, so you can't be too upset when you're on the tram, in my opinion. Right, JP?
But actually, a few months ago, we noticed they were building something new on the tour, between the War of the World sets and the Fast and Furious Supercharged segment. We thought they were building a western town and a little western-themed stunt show. But it turns out, the park announced today, that they are building a brand new movie set that guests will be able to tour, and the movie set is the Jupiter Claim theme park from Jordan Peele's upcoming film, Nope. Guests will board the tram, and they will drive through this Jupiter Claim film set. Don't expect anything crazy like the Earthquake ride or the Jaws attraction. Expect something more scenic, like when you get to see the Back to the Future sets or the War of the Worlds set. There might be some little special effects that go off, but overall this is meant to be a glimpse into how movies are made. I expect there to be some sort of video montage that will give us a behind the scenes glimpse into the making of the movie. What's awesome is you'll actually be able to go see the movie at the movie theater at Universal City Walk, and then go into the park, ride the tram tour, and see the movie sets in real life. I mean, that's pretty unheard of. This new attraction opens on July 22nd at Universal Studios Hollywood, and make sure to check back in right here at the Theme Park Shark for a POV of the brand new experience. Anyway, thank you guys for watching, and we'll catch you next time.